Where are we?
Ningaloo reef.
Ningaloo Reef. Jessica, where is it?
The Ningaloo reef is known to be an extremely diverse reef. So we have between 200 to 300 different types of corals and around about 500 different species of fish. So extremely diverse for this area that it's in. One of the main reasons it's so diverse is because we have two currents that mix around in here. So we have the Lewin current that goes from north to south. So that makes all the warm water fish, warm water nutrients down from the top half of Australia and Indonesia. So that current washes across the outside of the reef. Then we also have the Ningaloo current. So that goes south up. That brings all the cold water fish, cold water nutrients up from the bottom half of WA. And that current washes through the inside of the lagoon, like where we are right now.
Oh, this is wild. So cool. This is YouTube.
As these currents, they mix around here, pull water from out deep and shallow. And that's what makes this a super diverse environment. It's also known to be an extremely healthy reef, or one of the most healthiest coral reefs across the world. So one of the main reasons is because there's not much rainfall in Exmouth. So Exmouth can go 2 years without having any rain. So it's typically an extremely dry place. There's also no farming or agriculture, and there's no town across the Ningaloo reef. So if it ever does rain, or when it does rain, then there's no possible chance of any fertilisers and pesticides or any town rubbish to possibly wash into this water. So it's some of the most pristine salt water you can possibly get.
There's a parrotfish. One down there.
The only main threat, or the only real threat to the Ningaloo reef is the heat. So over our last summer we had a marine heat wave. So just like a heat wave on land, in the water.
Yeah.
So we had water temperatures, we had the hottest water temperatures ever recorded for this area and for the longest amount of time. So that did damage a fair bit of our corals. So we have water temperatures of up to 34 degrees Celsius.
It's like soup.
So it's 3 degrees off being a spa.
Yeah.
It's actually hot to be in. And it's above 30 for months. So that did damage a fair few of our corals, especially further up north. So on the islands up the top there, around the Montebello Islands. But yeah, we still have lots and lots that are alive and healthy, like all the ones that you're seeing around here.